identify some of the gaps that I have seen with DevOps and cloud engineers. But before we jump into the real topic, what I have noticed, a lot of people watch the videos, but not enough subscribers yet. So just a sort of request that if you are watching and liking the content, you can join our uh, WhatsApp and Telegram groups as well, where I don't spam. I usually send small one sort of notification 2-3 days about the videos that we are publishing, any changes we are bringing to the YouTube channel, etc. So do subscribe if you are liking the content. Uh, Coming back to the subject, wanted to talk about one of the key gap that I have seen with a lot of candidates that I am interviewing or I'm working with them as well. The key gap is their Linux operating system skill set. So while they get to learn a lot of Terraform, Ansible, but what I have seen is that if they have to investigate something, they have to troubleshoot an issue. They do spend or struggle a lot of the time. So the struggle is basically they are trying to understand the problem, and also their their troubleshooting skills on the Linux operating system are not great. They are not able to look at the processes. They are not able to look at the storage options, um, basic stuff. Not able to investigate, not able to identify the log file where the logs are, not able to find out the those specific things in a very large log file. So these are some of the cases that I just wanted to highlight. But then there are a lot of other issues. Process is stopped, how to start that, those kind of issues. So what what I want to highlight is that before you get into all these other areas of DevOps and cloud, build that Linux operating system knowledge. That is very crucial for not only interviews, but also for your day-to-day job as well. So what happens is that in the industry, you don't use a lot of Windows servers at all. They are mainly for some graphical kind of requirement. I would say 0.01%. Rest 99 point some percentage is usually on Linux side of it in different flavors. We'll get to that as well. So the idea is that you should build the skills, but how do you do that? Should you do a course about it, or should you do some classroom sessions with it? It's not really required. So next question everybody would have is like, how do we do that? So I would suggest make it part of your lifestyle, make it part of your day-to-day operations. Whatever you are working on your Windows environment or any such your day-to-day job on your personal laptop, do it through Linux operating system. If you have a personal laptop and you have the liberty, you should install maybe Ubuntu or any other flavor of Linux there. You get all the other features. You can have Firefox and other browsers there, and all other accessibility to internet. Everything is there. It's just you will be close to it, because we never spent any time learning Windows operating system, right? We never put any dedicated effort to learn Windows or Microsoft applications. So same approach if we apply, we stay close to Linux in our day-to-day job. In future, it will help us in interviews and in our day-to-day job as well. So that's the analogy that you have to be comfortable with it. Just like if you have to learn swimming, you have to be just comfortable with the water first. So that is the objective. Which flavor of operating system that you should target depends on which companies you are going to target or you are currently working on. So if your companies are a banking, financial, insurance kind of companies, they are all large enterprises. They will prefer Red Hat being the operating system. So it's just a different flavor. They use a different sort of package manager. So some commands will be different. You can, when you are containerizing the application, your base image will be different. and then some of the commands that you follow will be different. If your customers or you are working right now in a startup and you are going to target small to medium companies, you should focus a bit on Ubuntu. That's a bit of lightweight, easy to get started. So that's the startup mindset usually is. So you should focus a little bit on that. I also noticed that I'm not sure a lot of people may know it already, that Ubuntu is available on Windows itself. So you can download this operating system through the Microsoft Store on your Windows laptop itself. And through that, you perform your day-to-day operations, your containerization, your pipelines, and Terraform and Git repository, everything you drive through the Ubuntu terminal on your Windows laptop. So that's also one of the easy option to get started. So just stay connected to it, build your skills in this, find out the right use cases where Linux is useful in the industry, and just keep practicing it. You don't have to do a specific course or spend dedicated hours learning Linux and this operating system as such. And this itself will add a lot of value to your resume and uh, your vocabulary as well. What I have seen successful DevOps and cloud engineers, their Linux skills were very good when they started. So if that base, what we usually call, right, that base is strong, then the outcome or whatever new learnings have to happen, those are quick, and then you actually in DevOps space there are so many options, right? So if your base is strong, then all other things become easy for you to learn. So with that in mind, just add this skill set to your resume and make sure you spend a lot of time practicing your day-to-day stuff, working on your day-to-day activities. Thank you.